Most businesses are stuck in the chatbot era, but the real competitive edge isn't an AI that talks, it's an AI that acts. In the next few minutes, we're going to map out the evolution from basic LLMs to autonomous AI agents and why your data platform is the single biggest factor in making that leap successful. We're moving past simple prompts. What comes next is a system that doesn't just answer questions, but manages complex multi-step workflows using MongoDB as the stateful backbone. The progression of AI can be seen as three waves. It started with wave 1, large language models. These gave us conversational access to a model's built-in knowledge. For the first time, users could tap into vast built-in intelligence simply by asking a question. It removed friction, accelerated workflows, and changed how users interact with information. It was a massive productivity boost, but it had a ceiling. It didn't know your business. That led to wave 2, retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. By connecting models to your organization's private data in real time, AI gained context. It stopped guessing and started reflecting your systems, your language, and your operational reality. But now we're entering wave 3, agentic systems. This is the frontier. AI is no longer just answering questions, it's taking action. Autonomous and collaborative agents can analyze environments, reason about complex tasks, and proactively move toward outcomes. From a technical standpoint, an agent follows a sophisticated loop. Unlike an LLM, which returns text based on data, or RAG, which returns text based on data and external documents, an agent interprets the user's intent, breaks it into multi-step plan, and executes those steps via APIs. The key differentiators of agentic systems lie in its autonomous decision-making, chain of thought, contextual awareness, and the ability to learn. But an AI agent needs more than just access to a model. To do this at an enterprise level, agents require 3 core capabilities: memory, semantic understanding of enterprise data, and the ability to act within operational workflows. First, memory. Agents need both short-term to maintain context during reasoning loops and long-term memory to store knowledge, past outcomes, and evolving state across interactions. Second, intelligent retrieval. Agents must interpret intent from multiple perspectives and retrieve the most relevant context from large volumes of unstructured and structured data using semantic search. And third, actionable integration. Agents must connect to real systems and orchestrate workflows across API services and tools. Let's talk about memory. Short-term memory keeps the current reasoning loop coherent as the agent plans and executes tasks. Long-term memory stores knowledge across sessions, previous outcomes, learned patterns, operational data, user preferences, and historical context. Without both layers, agents lose continuity. Every interaction becomes a reset instead of an evolving system that improves over time. But memory alone isn't enough. Agents also need to interpret intent and retrieve the right context from enterprise data. That's where intelligent semantic search comes in. Instead of matching keywords, agents can retrieve relevant knowledge across logs, documents, telemetry, and multimodal content based on meaning and context. This allows the system to reason from multiple perspectives: operational data, historical events, and real-time signals, before deciding on what action to take. Onto integration. Successful enterprises carefully consider their data flow in order to deeply integrate AI capabilities with their operational systems. This integration allows agents to participate directly in agentic workflows, multi-step processes where agents analyze signals, make decisions, and trigger actions across systems. Instead of a human manually coordinating tools, the agent can orchestrate tasks across monitoring platforms, ticketing systems, APIs, and operational services. This can look like responding to network issues as they occur, load management during network congestion, or calling APIs directly, to name a few. Let's put all of this into practice with a telco example. Imagine a network operations agent. It's not just waiting for a human to ask about a problem. Using MongoDB's flexible document model, the agent can store operational data, telemetry, logs, and vector embeddings all in one single place. This allows MongoDB to act as both the memory system and the semantic retrieval layer for agentic applications. Using multimodal embeddings like those from Voyage AI, the agent can even see and understand video data. Instead of a tech spending hours scrubbing footage, they ask, "Show me Apple CarPlay." The agent identifies the exact clip, cross-references it with the telemetry logs in MongoDB, and triggers the requested visual automatically. That is the power of an active partner versus a passive tool. This isn't just a feature, it's a paradigm shift on how we handle structured data at scale. Telcos using AI agents can transform reactive operations into intelligent, proactive, and highly personalized experiences. As these systems scale, the database becomes far more than storage. It becomes the stateful backbone for agentic systems, maintaining memory, enabling semantic retrieval, and supporting the workflows agents operate within. It handles the high-volume, unstructured data agents thrive on while providing the vector search capabilities they need to remember. The reality is that agents are only as smart as the data they can access and the state they can maintain. When your data platform supports memory, semantic understanding, and real-time workflows, AI moves beyond chat interfaces and becomes an operational partner. That's when organizations stop experimenting with AI and start running their business on it.